Good morning. I'm Alicia Fowler, Operations Officer with the Florida Division of Emergency Management State Watch Office. And this is the Daily Situation Report for Monday, May 4, 2009. The State Emergency Operations Center is currently activated to a Level 2 status due to a public health emergency issued by the Surgeon General of Florida for the H1N1 flu virus. Turkey Point Nuclear Power Plant Unit 3 is down for maintenance purposes. All other Florida nuclear power plants are at full operation status. No major electrical outages are reported. All airports and seaports in the state are open and operating normally. I-75 Alligator Alley is closed between mile marker 23 and mile marker 101 due to wildfire issues. Also, State Road 29 in Collier County is also closed from Oil Well Road to US 41 due to heavy smoke. The Florida Department of Health is actively monitoring the situation involving the swine flu outbreak and is proactively responding to this event by enhancing their surveillance and monitoring efforts for influenza across the state. No confirmed or suspected attacks on major computer networks in the state, and there are no known border security issues at this time. And now the weather report.
Thank you, Alicia. A slight risk of severe weather will be possible across much of North Florida today. An upper-level disturbance moving across Alabama and Georgia ahead of a cold front extending from Tennessee to Louisiana will generate scattered to numerous showers and thunderstorms today along the Gulf Coast. A very moist and unstable air mass ahead of the front and upper-level system will aid in the development of storms and also lead to a slight chance of severe thunderstorms. The main threats with these strong to severe storms today will be frequent lightning and damaging straight-line winds, but large hail and isolated tornadoes are possible as well. As a result, the Storm Prediction Center has placed much of the Florida Panhandle and Big Bend in a slight risk area for severe thunderstorm development today, and has issued a tornado watch for Florida Panhandle counties west of the Apalachicola River until 2 p.m. Central Time. These watches may be extended eastward later in the day. Locally heavy rainfall will also be possible where storms move over the same areas. The severe weather threat will be highest across the Florida Panhandle this morning and afternoon, shifting east into northern portions of the Florida Big Bend later this afternoon and into this evening. The severe weather threat is expected to diminish later tonight, but scattered showers will remain possible across North Florida as the cold front moves into Georgia. Meanwhile, at the coast, southeast winds around 15 miles an hour along the southeast Florida coast and southwest winds around 15 to 20 miles an hour along the Florida Panhandle will result in a moderate risk of rip currents for those areas today. High pressure in the western Atlantic will continue to keep central and south Florida areas mostly dry this week, with very little rainfall in the forecast for these areas through Friday, along with very high Keach Byram drought index values, of which the statewide average is now up to 522. A higher threat for wildfires will continue in the peninsula through the week.
There are everyday precautions people can take to stay healthy. Cover your nose and mouth with a tissue when you sneeze or cough. Throw the tissue in the trash after you use it. Wash your hands often with soap and water, especially after you cough or sneeze. Alcohol-based hand cleaners are also effective. Avoid touching your eyes, nose, or mouth. Germs spread that way. Try to avoid close contact with sick people. Influenza is thought to spread mainly person to person through coughing or sneezing of infected people. If you do get sick, CDC recommends that you stay home from work or school and limit contact with others to keep from infecting them. For further information on these and other health-related issues, visit floridashealth.com. And that's all we have for you today. You have a great day.